Hello guys, how are you doing? So today we're going to have a quick look at a demo session, right, of Alma Suite. So it's going to be good because you're going to check out in a very easy, friendly, and quick way what are the main things that Alma Suite could do for you guys. All right. So I'm going to share my screen, right, and in the way you're going to be able to see actually Alma Suite could do for you. So let's start here, right? Here, what looks like when you just get into Alma Suite. In the main section, a wall, a newsfeed, the update that's going on inside your company, whether it's a post someone did, or if you have like a new game that's going to be about something your company wants you to learn or to test that you know, you'll find out if there are like any new projects, right? And also any other kind of updates that could be going on inside your company. On the right, you'll have in the upper right, the challenges, right? Like whatever the company needs to tackle, what are the problems they want to solve, and in the way everyone can participate and say, hey, I have an idea for this. And below that, you'll find the news, right? The more official stuff of any company. And then in the left, you're going to have channels. This is basically segmented walls, right? Where it could be just like one private team, it could be in a department, or it could be maybe you want to subscribe to industry trends. Then you have a highlighted section for the task manager, where you can see at the beginning all your tasks. That's everyone's task that they have a shared project with you. And below that, you can have different links that you can set up, and you have the rest of the apps, so you can go directly to each one of them. So let's start with the task manager, right? Let's say I want to check my team tasks. So the thing is, at the beginning, I'll just see each one of the projects I'm working on. Below, I'm going to find a list with all the tasks by my team or with the teams I'm working with. And the interesting thing is that if I click into anything, I'm going to see an update, and I'll realize if someone's delayed, what's the current status, or if there have been any changes. Or, for example, I can go and check what Thomas is doing, and I'll see what are the things that they're pending, right? Or I could go directly to the highway project, and in that way, I'm just going to realize whatever is going on only in this project, right? Then, if we go to Wiki up here, that we can also access through here, I'm going to see a private Wikipedia for my company, right? So this is interesting because despite that you might have like your drive or your server with like a lot of files, in this place you can find a few, right? And they're organized in terms of articles. So it's not just about finding documents or information, it's about knowledge, right? So for example, you're looking for the best suppliers, and if they're well classified, you will find them here, and you're going to find a whole list of your suppliers, right? Attachments that they might be useful, and then depending on the roles inside the organization, you're going to be able to delete it, to edit it, and in that way you have this private Wikipedia, very simple and easy to use. On the left, you're going to have like whatever you have published or whatever you're following, right? You can start following any article that you're interested in. Then you got ideas. This is basically an idea manager, where you can see the main things your company wants to tackle here in the challenges. It's going to be the main banner once you get into the home. And then if you go to the ideas section, in ideas, you're going to be able to access and see whatever people is talking about, what are they voting, and you can follow or not follow, right, an idea. So you're going to receive notifications if anything is going on, right? Check on trivia. Trivia is basically something very simple. What we want to make sure is that the whole company is on the web, is on the same page. So here you basically play a game, just like in the style of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, about anything you care, right? It could be your company strategy, it could be your products, it could be industry trends, it could be like even what do you know about like someone inside your organization. Make sure that everyone is aligned. Then you got the news. And news are going to be basically everything your company is posting for you. And then the people, right? It's always important to make sure that you know who is everyone right, and in that way you're going to find the right people, and you can just like look whoever knows about marketing, you're going to find the right person for that. And finally, over here in the upper right, you can configure your profile, right? So if you go over your profile, you'll see the information about you and what's the people going to know about you. You can change your notifications, your password, and everything. And then if you're an admin, you're going to be able to get into the admin dashboard where you can see however the company is going on with this, and you're going to be able to set up or configure whatever else you want inside your organization, right? So then you go back to the main site and you realize again, in this home, in this wall, right, or newsfeed, everything that's going on inside your company, you're going to realize in a very easy and friendly way. So that's the main thing about Alma. It's like it's integrated, it's very simple, easy to use, and it's all about finding the right cases on how you want to use it to solve the main things or the main challenges that you want to accomplish inside your company. So thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I hope this was like in the way you can make sure that if you have any other doubts, please reach us and we'll be happy to help.